Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Kong versus Godzilla video, I want to show you guys how to draw Kong raising his axe up at Godzilla. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with Kong. So I'm going to start right over here with his face. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come down and then it's going to go up and down like this. Next, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and one that's going to go down and up for his eye. Over here, I'm going to make a couple little lines that are going to go up for a few wrinkles and a little line that's just going to go down and up like this. Next, I'm going to make a small line that's going to go down and come around for that other eye. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then come down, and one over here on this side to make his nose. Next, I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down, and then another one in here for the nostrils. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down for part of his mouth. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come across here for his lip. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go to here. Next, I'm going to turn this to here. And we're going to make a line that's going to go across like this. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come over. Then I'm going to make a little line right here that's going to come up. And I'm going to bring it up to here to kind of form his mouth. Then we'll add a little broken line right here. Now let's add his teeth in here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. Then I'm going to add a few small teeth in here. And another one's going to go down and up right there. Do the same thing on the bottom. I'm going to make one that goes up and down, and then I'm going to put a few small ones, and then one more big one right here. Now I'll add a couple small ones on the bottom and the top here. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come over with another little line in here for the tongue. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and in, and we'll add a few more little teeth. And then we're going to add a little line that's going to curve down for part of his mouth. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and it's going to come up towards the eye. Then I'm going to make another one that's going to go up and we're going to come down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and we're going to come down over here with another line that goes out and then in for part of his face. Now let's start down here first with his beard. So I'm going to just make a little line. I'm going to go down. It's going to be kind of zigzagged. And then we're going to curve it up for his beard. And then up here, I'm just going to, we're not going to see a ton of this because I want it to be like his head is kind of turned back quite a bit. So I'm going to make some hair that's going to be kind of pointed and then it's going to come down. Then I'm just going to continue this. I'm going to come out and then bring it up here, so make his head nice and big. I'm also going to add just a little bit of a zigzag line over here too, on this side of his face. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and then back up with a little squiggle inside for his ear. And let's add a couple little lines underneath his eyes. Now, starting right here, let's make his chest. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over and up just a little bit. We'll leave a tiny bit of space, and I'll make another line that's going to come down, and then it's going to slowly come up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up. We'll leave a little bit of that space, and then we're going to go down and up again. I'll make one more that does the same thing. And then we're just going to bring it down to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw kind of like a zigzag little curved line up here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and it's going to come right up to about here for his arm. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and I'm going to kind of curve this right to here. Now I'll make another line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come right up to here. I'm just kind of sketching this out to make it a little bit furrier looking. Then we're going to come down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It goes in a little bit, and that's going to come right down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to go over. And then I'm going to bring it up for one of his fingers. I'll make another one right here. One more here. And then I'm just going to bring this right down to here. Now, starting right here, I want to make the axe first. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to come right to about here. And then I'm going to draw a little line coming down here. It does not have to be a straight line. It can be kind of wavy and curved. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to come down with another little curved line right here for his other thumb. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. And it's going to go down. I'm going to start one here that's going to come up. And it's going to go back like this. One right here, it's going to come up and down, add a little curve to it. And a smaller one right here, it's going to come up and down. Then starting here, I'm going to go bring this line up, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. It's going to curve down like a hook. Then we'll start here, we'll make another one that's going to come down. It's going to come right back up to here. And then we're going to bring it right to about there. I'll make sure this one's connected right here. I'm going to bring this line in just a bit. And then let's make his other arm. So I'm going to start right about here. I'm going to make just kind of like a zigzag line that's going to come out. Then I'm going to bring it in. We're going to bring it right down to about here. Next, I'm going to start kind of right about here on the face. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come in. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come right up to about here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down to about a point, and then it's going to come right back to here. I want to make just a little line that's going to come down. It's going to go up and then down again. And then up here, we're going to make just a couple kind of pointed, big spike shapes on here for the front of the axe. I'm also going to add a couple little lines going across with some just kind of quick little broken lines coming across here to show where it's been kind of tied together. Okay, now let's come over here and we're going to work on Godzilla. Now, starting right here, we're going to add the eye. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to come up and bring it back like this. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up. I'm going to bring this line back, and then I'm going to curve it back, and I'll do that another time, just to add some detail on his eye. Then starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come back here. Then we're going to bring this line down a little bit. Now I'm going to start right here under his eye. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and that's going to go down for his nose and the front of his mouth. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to bring it back here. Next, I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down, and we're going to go straight out like this. We'll make a little line that goes down and in, and then a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go up for his chin, and then we're going to come over and bring it right up here for his jaw. Now, starting in here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down. Then right here, we're going to add some teeth. So I'm going to draw some sharp teeth here. We'll make them a little bigger in the front. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come right down here to kind of show where the other side of his mouth is. I'm going to add some teeth right on the bottom as well. And right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down for his tongue. Then I'll make a little line that's going to curve down for his nose. Now, starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. I'll make another one that's going to go out and then down. One more here that's going to go out and down, and then one more right here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up like this, and then I'm going to make another one here, just to show a couple wrinkles on him. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then in. Another one that's going to go down and in. And one more right about here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to go up like this. And then I'm going to make one that's going to come right down to about here, kind of showing where his chest is going to be. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come right up to about here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to come to a point, and then back here. I'll make another one that's going to go out to a point and then come down. And then one more that's going to go to a point, and then it's going to curve right around here. Next, we're going to add just a couple little curved lines in here. Then a little line that's going to come all the way down to finish off his arm. Now, starting here, we're going to add another line that's going to come down. I'm going to go down to right about here. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go up, and I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to come back for another finger. Make a line down. I'll make another line that's going to go out, it's going to come down like this. Then we're just going to kind of go off the paper, we're going to make one that's going to go down and up here. And then right here, we're just going to add one that goes down and then up for that thumb. And then I'm just going to bring this right back to here. And we'll draw this line down. Now, on the back of Godzilla, let's add just a few spikes. We won't see many, but we'll add a couple. We'll just make a couple kind of angled, pointed lines that just go back like this. Okay, now that we have our basic shape of both of these, let's come in here and add just a few details. Let's start with Kong. So I'm just going to add a couple more little lines right by his eyes. Maybe a couple lines by his nose. And we'll just kind of put a few quick little extra lines in here just to kind of show some fur on him. Nothing too crazy. Just a few extra lines just to add a little bit of detail. I want to make a couple little kind of broken lines coming down here. I'm going to add some long, skinny, broken lines just to kind of show where his scar is from Godzilla clawing him. We'll add a few little wrinkles on the hands, a couple broken lines to add some fur, maybe some fingernails on here. Then just a couple little broken lines on here for a little bit of detail. Then I'm going to add just a couple lines right by his ear. Now on to Godzilla. I'm just going to add a little line or two underneath his eye. I'm going to add just a couple little broken lines right along his mouth. A couple more right by his nose. I'm going to make a couple little broken lines coming down here along his neck. And I'm just going to add just a few little kind of broken lines to add a little bit of texture and detail on him. Maybe a couple kind of coming up from these big scales. I'm going to add a couple little broken lines here, a couple down his chest. A few lines right in here by the mouth. And I forgot, want to add a few sharp teeth over here. You can add some quick little curved lines onto the claws with a few extra little lines. And we're just going to kind of make some all around here. And we're just going to make a few over here too. And maybe just a couple more on some of these spots. And there you go. There is your drawing of Kong versus Godzilla. Kong's got his axe raised up like he's ready to swing it right down at Godzilla. And I'm going to try to add some like glowing effect in here like Godzilla's about ready to use his atomic blast on him. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.